Hello, my name is Jonathan Rochelle. I'm a product management director at Google. I cover the Google collaboration apps, Google Docs, Google Sites, Google Script, and a few other things. For us, collaboration is about creating and editing and reviewing and approving and publishing content together.
Can you describe what we're using to actually chat with each other right now?
We're using actually Google Talk, but it's in video mode. So Google Talk is a component of Gmail, really, the way people see it. It actually does change my world for working. I can work with so many more people so much more effectively, but it's a simple but effective tool for communication.
Can you tell me about Google Docs? What is it? How do I get started? How do I get involved? How do I get all of my employees on it, etc.?
I think a lot of people, say, well, what is it? Where is it? How do I get to it? And I can easily just say the URL docs.google.com, and that's the first way. But the other way is from Google. There's usually a little menu in the upper left that says Documents, and there's something up there that kind of gets you there.
Why would I use Google Docs? What's really cool about Google Docs? Let me know how it works if I've never seen it before.
I think the most compelling reason is that you're not attached to a single device. And if I throw this laptop in the river, nobody will know the difference, including me. It won't matter except that I'll be out a few bucks. Then I can go somewhere else. I can buy a new computer. I can go to a friend's house. I can go to anywhere that's got something that I can connect to the web, and I can log into my account and see all my stuff. It never disappears.
Tell me about collaboration inside of Google Docs. Kind of explain to me more than one person working on the document.
The key is that you and I can be editing something together. If we're writing a story together, I will see what you're typing and you will see what I'm typing. If we invite a third person, an editor, our senior editor now wants to get in there because we have a deadline and says, I want to make sure I like what you're doing while you're doing it. They can get in and start editing what I'm typing. They can delete what I'm typing as I'm typing it if they think that's the right thing. But we will all see each other. We'll see the presence of each other, where we are in the document. If I select a paragraph or a sentence, you'll see what I selected. It's really easy to comment inside a document now and pull people into the conversation within a doc. And that's a way for a very small, called a newsroom, virtual newsroom, to combine resources, people that work for them part-time, to be big and to be, successful as a small company.
So dozens of people can access a document from anywhere in the world at any time and all be working on it at the same time.
That's right. And you can have people access it as editors or as viewers, so you can decide who accesses it how.
Give me the number one reason why businesses of any size should use Google Docs.
I think one of the most important things for small businesses is getting up and running fast and cheap. And that is something that I think the whole app suite, Google Apps in general, helps small businesses do. They can seem like a big company with hardly any financial resource whatsoever.
Well, hey, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
No problem.